What's going on, guys? Taylor Cacciola from Namra Consulting Group, and today I want to talk about the one thing that every business owner in professional services, retail, you name it, what they should be doing before they start posting on social media or making video content. The first thing that you need to be doing is identifying the North Star of your marketing. Super corny, I know, but that's the best way I like to think of it. What is the North Star of your marketing? I always suggest, universally, the first thing we think about is developing and trying to develop a qualified audience of potential consumers and fans. Getting business, generating leads, driving traffic, it's all great. But the best way to do all of those things is to develop a qualified audience of potential consumers and fans. If you're always aiming at this, then you can veer off to generating leads or driving traffic to your website. That's why when I ask people what the main goal of social media is, I kind of already know the answer of what I want them to understand, and this is it, because it changes the way we start to think about what are we posting on a daily basis? What kind of video content is going to actually be relevant to our end goal? So that once we have that end goal, we can reverse engineer it back and actually do the proper day-to-day tasks to get us there that much quicker, and then we get even more ROI out of our day-to-day marketing. So I hope this saves you some time and headache. Again, I'm Taylor Cacciola from Namra Consulting Group. Let me know if you have any questions on social media marketing, digital marketing. Happy to help. Thanks.